since I was a kid, and recently I started dancing with Urja, and I'm learning belly dancing from her. It's great because it gives me a break from my office routine.
Dance is a passion. Dance is life.
It's a form of enjoyment and fitness.
Since I've been a science student, I didn't quite have time to actually pursue dancing. So when I was done with my science and everything, I met a friend of mine. She suggested me Urja. So I went and did semi-classical and folk with her, and I actually quite liked it. And I performed the same choreographies in family functions and other parties and such, and people quite liked it. So I actually went forward to Urja and asked her about what other dance styles she teaches, and she told me she's going to start belly dancing. So I went on, I joined, and now she's turned me into from a student to a professional dancer and a trainer with her.
डांस का पैशन एक्चुअली बचपन से ही है. सिंस आई गॉट मैरिड वेरी अर्ली व्हेन आई वाज जस्ट 19, तो मेरा वो पैशन पूरा नहीं हो पाया. तो लकीली आई गॉट सपोर्टिव हस्बैंड, तो मैं अभी अपने डांस के पैशन को पूरा कर सकती हूँ. और उजड़ मैम के होने के साथ मेरा डांस का पैशन, जो डांस का एक ड्रीम है, वो फुलफिल हो पा रहा है.
I'm a trained classical dancer, and that's where I met Urja at my classical dance. And after a while, I took a break from dance. I couldn't really stay away from dance, but didn't want to go back to classical and wanted to try out different dance forms. So that's why I knew that Urja was taking belly dancing classes. So I thought I'd join her because I was already familiar with her. So that's how I came to Urja Art Studio.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4. Right, 4, outside left. 4, right, 4, left, 4.
Ay, milonga de amor. Ay, temblor de botán. Para vos.
Okay, at Urja Art Studio, we started with level 1. We never believed that we can do good, but level 1 happened, then level 2, then level 3. We have done today with level 4, and we're going to perform on the 28th on the level 4 song. So it is a surprise for us by itself.
And I'm a newbie, just been a month since I've joined this, and she's already offering me the center stage. So that's pretty cool. She's one of the coolest teachers I know. She's very casual, fun to be with, and our classes are really amazing. There's never a dull moment in the class, so much so that we don't mind waking up on a Sunday morning. I think that just says it all.
I'm Urja student. Been with Urja for I believe more than a year, and it's been an amazing journey since then. Urja, I can't tell you how much of a best decision I have ever taken to join you.
My experience is awesome. We enjoy a lot. Like every Sunday is like, yes, I have to go there, cancel my every programs and no, I have to go there. So it's very fun. It's awesome.
पूजा है, इसीलिए मैं उनके पास बार-बार आती हूँ. और सिंस मेरे घर के बहुत पास में है और कम्यूट मैं इजीली कर पाती हूँ. एंड मेन थिंग तो पूजा है तो मैं आती हूँ. पूजा नहीं हो तो शायद मैं नहीं करूँ.
Past 8 months we have done belly dancing, so it's level 4 currently we are. So we have learned a lot from basic. We were like really basic level, and right now we enjoy dancing. Previously we were like, we used to stop and do, but now we also enjoy. It's all because of Urja and her practice, the way she teaches us.
It's amazing. She's a great dancer and she's a great teacher. We learn a lot from her, and she's amazing to work with.
We can give only one much that we love her. We love to see her performance. We love to see her everything. We just enjoy her.
Basically, it's like she enjoys dancing. That she doesn't make it like routine work. We enjoy the way she always smiles and she dances, and that's what we enjoy doing it when we dance. We don't feel later on we don't feel like it's a step or an exercise type, but we feel it more like we start enjoying it from level 1 to level 4. Now we are enjoying it, so it's nice.
So it's just like she promotes you, she inspires you, and it's from a hobby now to a profession. So you can imagine what amount of inspiration she can put into a person.
She will come up with a very flying color. We see her name at a very high place in future.
पूजा मैम के बारे में जितना बोलेंगे उतना कम है। पूजा में बहुत एनर्जेटिक है और टाइम के साथ थोड़ा स्ट्रिक्ट भी है, बट या शी इज अ वेरी गुड टीचर. एवरीवन लव्स हर, लाइक बच्चों से लेके बड़े.
The reason I am with you is from day one, you have been more than an inspiration to me. You have been someone I want to look up to, want to be like, and it has been fabulous to be with you because the way you teach, the way you are connected to me is nothing. I have never connected to any other teacher like that. So Pooja, you are amazing. With the way you teach, with the way you treat me, with the way you correct me, everything is so beautiful about you. I can't tell you how much you mean to me today because you've been a very big role model in my career of this dance. All thanks to you, I own Dance Studio today. Partly I give you all the credit.
Ma'am is just awesome. I would love to, go and perform with her always.
पूजा हमें यूं ही सिखाते रहिए और बहुत अच्छे अच्छे डांस फॉर्म्स बार बार स्टेज शो करते रहिए, तो हम लोग को और अच्छा सीखने का मौका मिलेगा और हमारा जो स्टेज फेयर है वो भी निकलेगा.
Seeing this, that is, keep smiling and keep dancing always.
Thank you very much, Pooja, for being a part of my life, and I am more than glad and more than happy to be a part of yours as well. And I hope we continue this forever, and I definitely know we will. But let's rock it, Pooja. I'm so glad I'm doing the 2nd November. I'm so glad I'm doing the Sheila, and I'm doing the Egyptians, and I'm doing Ghagra, and I'm doing all of that all with you. Thanks to you. It's been amazing. It's been a great journey, and I'm looking forward to a longer journey with you.